Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Come downstairs to play a little bit. I do have an inspiration for this painting. See if you can see that. It's a beautiful flower. It's on a clock. And my idea today is that I'm going to do a reverse dip. Using some saran wrap in just a couple of different colors. Get this spread out over my canvas quickly. Get it covered nice and smooth. A little bit of a torch to get any air bubbles out of it. Looks like I have a little something in it right there. Get rid of that. Perfect. Do a little tap so this runs down the sides. Okay. What I have is an Anita's Island Blue. I'm going to use a little Naples yellow to start my center. Just give me an idea of where it's at. I'm going to take my Island Blue and put some petals down. That, bring it out to the sides a bit. Put a little bit of a pearl white on it. Not a lot. Kind of like that. Try and put a little tiny drop of green in the middle. It's more than a drop. Hopefully that'll work out. Top it off with a little Naples yellow. And here comes the scary part. I'm going to get a piece of saran wrap here. This is just generic plastic wrap. And try and flatten it out. Lay it down very carefully. Don't want to slide it. Just want to put it right straight down, just like that. Let it settle. See a little air bubble right there? You can get rid of the air bubbles. Little air bubbles. See what we can do about that. Okay, I'm a little nervous about this because I don't know what exactly it's going to do. I think I will take it by the corners. Start here. In, bring that in, make sure that I am getting all of it very slowly. Pick it up. Ooh, that's interesting. Very interesting. Kind of lost the green in the center. See if we can tilt it a little bit. That pearl looks really pretty in there. There's not very much paint on it. So it's not moving too awful much. Give it a torch because that put a lot of air bubbles in it. Let's see what happens. Oh, I need an opinion. Should I try again to add a little more to it? I don't know. Kind of liking the way it looks. It's pretty neat. Just touch this here. See if I can get that center to come out. Quite a bit of paint right there in the middle. I'm going to take a straw and blow on this just a little bit. See, I'm just bringing out some of the color that dropped underneath the white here. I'm going to turn it. Get a little bit more. I like that. I like it. I like it. I am pretty happy with that. Pretty happy. I like the way it turned out. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Appreciate it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. I'd like to hear a comment from any of you. I will bring the camera down so you can take a close-up look because there's some really pretty cells in here. Tiny, tiny cells, but they're very pretty. So, give me just a second. Okay, so here we go. Look straight down at it. I like the way the wispies came out on the edges. It's very cool. Very simple technique. Only took a few minutes. And there we have it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like seeing my artwork. I appreciate it. If you have any ideas of something new that I can do, please let me know. I really like to be challenged. So, thanks for visiting. Bye.